Everyone, so in this video today, I will be teaching you guys watching how to basically block group FaceTime calls on iOS, meaning your iPhone. So with that being said, let's get straight into it. And first of all, open up your settings and in the search bar, search for focus and click on that, and then click on do not disturb, and from here click on people, and then you have an option of to allow calls from, and from here you have an option of contacts only, favorites, everybody, allowed people only, and click on allowed people only, then add the people you want to. Or if you're going with the contacts option, that is more preferred, just simply select allow calls from only, contacts only, then select your contacts from your basically your numbers that you have added on your phone. So select whichever ones you want to call you in your do not disturb mode. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Then after doing that, just simply go back, and then when you enable your do not disturb mode, these people can call you anytime and anywhere they want to, and nobody else could but these people. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching this video till the end. That's all from my side. Bye bye.